Hello viewers, hope everybody is doing well. Today I am visiting at the lake side, and before I make the video, everyone like it very much. Today is weather, very nice weather here, and lot of windy today, and this is picnic point also. People come here. Sometimes they celebrate the birthdays, and here very nice place, and they invite all family members. Sometimes they ask to bring one dish. That it's called one dish party, and they call everyone to come this place, and they came here and celebrate birthdays or picnic. There are a lot of tables. People bring the water and coke and snacks, and they came here, bring some barbecue stuff here and do the barbecue party. There are a lot of queues coming up. Very nice place, and trees and tables and lake. Kids came here and they take some fish also from the water, small fish. I like this place very much. See all goose over there. I saw some goose. Very windy. All trees here on the ground. All goose going to the water lake side. Very windy, very windy. Hope you like this video. Please like and share and comments. I like the natures. Did you see that? They are going into water. Very beautiful view. Hope you like this video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Very beautiful view. Please like and share. Take care. Bye.